When using disposable gloves, it's very important that you use the correct size glove for your hand. If the glove is too small, it prevents movement and the gloves can tear easily. If the glove is too big, it can cause loss of dexterity and the gloves can fall off your hands easier. Step 1 is to ensure that you select the correct size of glove for your hand. A glove that is too small is prone to tearing and doesn't fit over your fingers correctly. Selecting a glove that is too large can cause loss of dexterity and cause folds in the gloves which break off and can enter food or whatever you're involved in. Remove all jewellery from your hands and wash and sanitize prior to donning a glove. When donning a glove, carefully remove the glove from the end of the dispenser pack with your 4 fingers. Holding the cuff of the glove with your 4 fingers, slide your hand into the glove and pull the glove over the wrist using your 4 fingers. It's very imperative that you use 4 fingers because using 1 finger can cause the glove to tear easily. When removing gloves from your hands, commonly known as doffing, pinch the glove and pull the glove inside out over your fingers, putting the glove into the palm of your other hand, pinching this glove, pulling it over, ensuring that the contamination remains inside the glove.